Business style is changing and so are the business trends. Lot of old industries are seeing the threat of complete shutdown and newer industries are emerging. If you look at the current global scenario and future realities, you will realize that there are few industries which will rule the world for many years to come. And as an entrepreneur, it is important for you to study these emerging trends. Hi, this is Mayour Nandu, your business coach and director of Growth Vidhyapeeth. And in today's video, I am going to discuss a few interesting business trends for the upcoming decade. So if you are planning to get into a business venture or you want to diversify, this video will definitely help you. As an entrepreneur, are you looking to diversify in a completely new industry? Then waste management is a great option. In the past 5 decades, all the businesses that encourage consumerism have flourished, grown, multiplied and expanded beyond boundaries. Along with the exorbitant growth of these industries has come the ill effects of them. The major one being that of increasing wastage. To bring things to perspective, the world generates 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste per year. Currently, as per government estimates, about 65 million tons of waste is generated annually in India, and over 62 million tons of it are municipal solid waste, that is MSW. That includes organic waste, recyclables like paper and plastic, wood, glass, etc. Only about 75 to 80% of the municipal waste gets collected, and out of this only 22 to 28% is processed and treated. The remaining MSW is deposited at dump yards. By 2031, MSW generated is projected to increase to 165 million tons and further up to 436 million tons by 2025. A big chunk of the municipal corporation's budget is going to be spent on treating and managing this waste. The global waste management market size was valued at $1,612 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $2,483 billion by 2030. So definitely it is worth an idea to work upon. Artificial intelligence is the industry which is going to rule the world for years to come. There is an increase in the percentage of the population who are rejecting laborious jobs. It also makes sense in deploying computers to do repetitive tasks instead of humans, and that's where artificial intelligence comes to the rescue. According to recent statistics, the size of the global market for artificial intelligence is expected to increase to $998 billion in 2028. Consequently, by 2025, the artificial intelligence market forecasts that 97 million people will be employed in the global AI industry, which is another big opportunity to get into. If you are looking out for an industry which is going to develop by leaps and bounds, then you should not ignore the potential of the agriculture industry. With the increase in human population of the world, there is an increasing problem of feeding the population. The world's population is growing and is expected to reach 10 billion by 2050. An increase in the population creates more demand for food. According to the Agricultural Outlook published by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) and FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, global cereal production was projected to increase by 13% by 2027. Agriculture companies are expected to increase their presence and activities to meet increased demand from farming activities and increase their growth. Finally, the agriculture market is expected to grow $18,814 billion in 2026 at a compounded annual growth rate of 10.7%. Renewable energy is a major upcoming industry, and as an entrepreneur, we should study about this. Looking at the speed of the impact of climate change on an Earth's environment, this sector would be the fastest growing one. It is projected to reach around $2,000 billion in the coming decade. So we all have a great opportunity to explore this field too. Education is an evergreen and ever-growing field. An entrepreneur who is looking to diversify should look at the education field as a great option. Global education and training expenditure is set to reach at least $10 trillion by 2030 as population growth in developing markets fuel a massive expansion and technology drives unprecedented reskilling and upskilling in developed economies. So friends, these are the fields you can explore to get into a business venture according to your interest and skill sets. All the best to you all. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the business you want to do or grow. Share this video with your entrepreneur friends, and I shall see you in the next video. Till then, keep prospering.